Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is a collective reading for the topic what is what are they thinking about you? Okay, and we will be checking what are going to be their upcoming actions and what is the potential future of this connection. So you can just close your eyes, think about the person, and also ask the universe to guide you, because we will be pulling some messages for you also, as in what you need to do in this situation. So let's begin. Let's see what do we have. So first is Ace of Cups. One message that I see here is this person is seeing something new in you. Okay, now that could probably either you have changed something about you, probably your styling, the way you dress, the way you style, the way you speak, the way you carry yourself, or for some I see that it is because of spirituality. You are doing something in your spiritual life where you're blooming like a lotus. Okay, where you're becoming more and more feminine. And even if you are a male watching this, then I would say that you are attracting this kind of an energy into your life. Okay, so this person thinks, or whenever this person thinks about you, they would see lotus around. Okay, around them. For some, I do feel that flower, lotus could be your flower, spirit flower. Okay, you see a lotus a lot, you connect with lotus a lot. Okay, there's something about your hair. Okay, some of you, for some I do feel that you shouldn't be chopping off your hair. I think you should grow your hair more and more. So a lot of messages are coming related to this. Okay, this person loves your hair, this person loves your feminine energy. Okay, especially if I talk about your waist area, this person really has some kind of fetish related to your waist, or your your belly or something like that. They find your body really feminine. Okay, it's like shaktified body with a lot of respect. So I don't see, for some ऐसा हो सकता है that there's some physical attraction, but other than physical attraction, whomsoever that you are dealing with, it's not just physical attraction, but I do feel that there's some sense of respect, some kind of devotion as well, is what I can see with your person. Okay, so this is the card if you want to have a look. This person is also looking for new possibilities with you. Okay, it's like the more you become feminine, the more you become spiritual, the more you focus on yourself, the more attractive you become. Okay, and it's not just about one person that you have in your mind, but this is who you are becoming. Okay, this is your authentic version. You are stepping into your authentic version. Divine feminines, it's a very strong message for divine feminines. And for divine masculines, I think you are reaching to a point where you are going to attract such a feminine into your life, or you are attracting such a feminine into your life. Okay, some of you should actually do lotus meditation also. It will help you. You'll find a lot of lotus meditations, guided meditations on YouTube, or you can contact me. I can give you your own personal lotus meditation. Okay, let's switch to another card about what are they thinking of you. So the next card that we got is the card of Tower. Okay, so as this person sees you blooming, as this person sees you glowing and evolving, their reality is shifting. Okay, all the illusions and all these walls that this person created for themselves between you and this person, all of it is coming to an end. Okay, there's something happening in this person's life where this person is ready to burn all the bridges in order to have you in their life. They are ready to fight the world, they are ready to fight their family, they are ready to, do whatever they need to do for you, because there's some shift which is happening in this person's psyche. Okay, there's some realization which is happening in this person's life. All right, and they know that there are certain people that they will have to throw out of their life, okay, in order to be with you. They know that they will have to fight some battles in order to be with you, and that is happening. Okay, it's like for some, I also feel that your person's spiritual awakening is taking place. Okay, it's also about the kundalini. So when the kundalini starts to rise, this happens. Okay, there will be a tower moment. So I think that your reality is being shifted. It's not your, but your person's reality is being shifted. Their root chakra is getting activated, and when the root chakra gets activated, that is the shift, or that is the beginning of a completely new cycle. Okay, and this person seems to be really passionate. I am sensing a lot of aggression, a lot of thoughts are there in this person's mind. Now this person wants to destroy everything, this person wants to destruct everything, and they just want to be with you. Okay, because now they are realizing that they can't afford to lose you. They are realizing that you are their feminine. So in order to be with this feminine, this person can go to any limit. Okay, I don't know, but I'm also getting a message related to some sort of celibacy. Okay, there's a possibility that your person has been practicing celibacy. Okay, and that celibacy, or they should be practicing celibacy, I don't know what, but this celibacy is really going to uplift their energy, is what I can see here. Let's look at the next card, and this says 7 of Cups, but it came in reverse. So see, your person, for some, I do feel that your person may think that you are a gold digger, or they see you as a very strong temptation. But then the problem is they don't know whether you are a temptation or they are really in love with you. Okay, because you are someone who is really attractive, you are someone who is feminine, you are someone who is tempting as well, you are someone who is financially stable or abundant. Okay, you are someone who is religious or spiritual. Okay, you know how to wear your crown, you know when to be free. Okay, so there's a lot of things, there are a lot of things that this person admires about you. Okay, there's not just one thing that this person admires about you. There are a lot of things, and that is a big distraction for this person. Okay, whatever this person ever wanted in a partner, you have all of it, you have all of it. Okay, some of you are either Capricorns, Cancerians, Pisces, Leo energy is there. So yeah, I also feel that this person has an eye on something that they're not sure of. Okay, like there's some energy which is really distracting them. Okay, they know that they have to focus on this so and so things, but they're not being able to focus on such things or anything that really matters to them. There's some pull, there's some energetic force which is really attracting them towards you. Okay, and they are coming towards you, and that is also because I think you both are mirroring, or you are you are kind of reflecting, you have that reflection of what this person always wanted. Okay, and when they recognize what they always wanted, that makes them feel want to come to you even more. Okay, this is what I see. Just be very mindful. If you are dealing with some kind of a creep, this person can be someone who wants your money. This person is after your money. You are dealing with someone who's a creep. Okay, someone that it doesn't have any equal value or any equal vibration when it comes to you. So you do not have to entertain this person, you just need to let this person be. Okay, the next one is Four of Wands. Okay, so this person is coming towards you. They are coming with an offer, and this offer has some conditions as well, terms and conditions applied. So this person will come with an attitude that if you agree with these terms and conditions, I'm completely up for it. I'm going to give my 100%, but I need 100% from your side also. So this person is going to expect equal give and take from you. Okay, and this person is not in the position to hear no from you at any cost. Okay, and I don't know why, but I also have this feeling that this person wants to have you, because this person cannot share your energy with anyone else. So in order to have you in their life, this person can do anything. Okay, they will have their own terms and conditions, they will use their own mind, they will have a lot of tactics, and I see strategy, I see methods, as if this person is literally sitting and thinking about different solutions they can bring to you, so that you agree to them. And why is that? So that this person can have you in their life. This person wants to possess you. Okay, this person wants you to be their trophy. This person sees you as their trophy. Okay, this person knows that when they will have you, they will have everything in their lives. Okay, I do see that there's some sneaky energy with this person. Okay, yes, definitely they like you. Yes, there is physical attraction as well. Yes, this person wants you, but I am really doubting if there is love and compassion and empathy in this person's heart towards you. Okay, so that is something that you have to be very much mindful of. Even if it is your partner, guys. Okay, it's not necessary that this video is for those who are in some kind of no contact situation or anything. It's not like that. But yeah, this person is coming with an offer, but it sounds more like some kind of a strategy rather than a love offer to me. Okay, we have Ace of Wands and Six of Coins. This person, see, we have Seven of Swords also. I told you that this person is not someone that you deserve. This person is wearing a big mask. This person wants something from you. Okay, this person is not a giver. I'm telling you, it's a warning for you. This person is a receiver. Okay, you are dealing with someone who is a receiver. Okay, this person has a lot of sexual interest in you. I am seeing a lot of sexual energy here. This person is really attracted to you. This person would want to, it's like they may not show you, but they have some sexual energy towards you. Okay, and they do not want to miss any opportunity where they do not have you physically. And I'm not just talking about sexual intercourse or anything. Your body is really attractive for them. Okay, they see your body as some divine body. They cannot resist your body, they cannot resist you, and which is why all of this is happening. Okay, which is why this person really wants you in their arm. And please do not entertain this kind of vectish if you have, or any kind of energy if you have, this is not a divine masculine energy at all. When you are growing in your spiritual journey, you also need to understand, yes, you will become more and more attractive. You are going to become very attractive when you begin your spiritual journey. But then one thing that you have to understand is that, do you have to give this give access to this body or to this energy to every creep out there, or to every uh, energy vampire out there? Because the more you glow, there will be more people who would want to consume that energy. Okay, and before you reach to that person where someone is going to value your energy, you will have to, declutter these kind of energies. This person is not at all worth the weight, or this person is not worth giving any attention. Okay, please be very, very mindful of this person. Someone is really after your money, someone is after your abundance, someone is after your energy, guys. Okay, and last, may we got the card of the Fool also. Guys, I'm going to end this reading here. I'm not going to make a very long video because it's more of a channeled reading, as well as very important information that I think universe wants to give you. So I don't want to bring any kind of block into this reading by talking about what are going to be their actions and future of this connection, because I don't think that you should be asking about any kind of future with this person. This is a very Fool energy that you are dealing with. Okay, this person has very sharp eyes, this person is extremely clever. Okay, basically this is someone who doesn't have any self-respect. Okay, इस person का कोई दीन ईमान नहीं है. In order to have you, this person can do anything. In order to have anything in their life, this person can do anything. They have, like, I am feeling that this person has some kind of a scary energy, and you need to be careful of this person. This person is stalking you, this person is, keeping tabs on you. This person wants to know each and every reaction, each and every feeling that you have for this person, so that they can plan their moves accordingly. Okay, and for some feminines, I do feel that you think that this is some kind of a divine masculine energy, where the person is physically attractive and the person is abundant also. Not abundant, but rich and this and that. Someone who's really charismatic, someone who has a very playful energy. I'm sorry, but this is not an alpha male energy. This is not a divine masculine energy, and you need to stop attracting this energy. You need to put a full stop to this energy. Okay, I'm going to ask one question on how you can put a full stop to this energy. So we got the card of Death. I think it's not just you who have been attracting this kind of energy, but it's kind of coming from your family. Okay, so you can see the relationship of your mother and your father. You can see the relationship of other family members. I do feel that there's some pattern which is being repeated, and there are high chances that you might fall into the same trap. So please do not do that. The only guidance on how you can end this loop or decondition this conditioning is to understand that you need to go beyond this drama. You need to go beyond this Maya. It's a complete illusion trap, a complete Maya trap, and nothing else. Okay, nothing else. For some, I do think that either this person wears lenses or they have blue eyes. Okay, for some it can also be green eyes, not green, but I would say hazel or grayish eyes. All right, or this person just loves to wear lenses or something. Let me see. You might even see that there's something weird about their nails. Okay, something weird about their nails. For some, if you're dealing with a guy, if you're a feminine watching this person loves to dress up, okay? They like dressing up and wearing different kind of clothes. They have a very childlike energy, very playful energy. But at the same time, you will also see that this person really, on the surface level, you might see that this person is a problem solver, but this is actually someone who is someone who likes to put ghee into the fire. Okay, this is that kind of an energy that you are dealing with. This person could be someone who travels towards mountains, or this person loves mountains. Okay, you may see that this person either travels a lot, or he's a mountain person. That is another thing that I see. Some of you are really dealing with a psychopath. Okay, so whatsoever it is, I hope it reaches you at the right time and to the correct audience as well. That is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.